for food? Meow.
What?
Well, you look like you could do with a little extra, my boy. And we thought you might actually be interested in earning some cash. Meow.
You're offering me cash.
Okay.
Well, what's the catch?
Well, there's this awful brute swimming around. He's terrible, and he's stolen our valuable belongings. We need somebody disposable to go in and, well, get rid of him. Meow.
Me, you mean?
Well, you can't expect one of us to go, can he, ladies? We're blue-blooded, did you know?
Well, ask this to you then. I gotta watch out for myself.
Dear, what language?
Don't worry, dear. He's as common as muck. Common as dirt like that. It's dreadful, isn't it?
Let me handle it, dear. Listen, here, you. Listen to me. We'll give you 10%. And that's our final offer. Now.
10%?
Yes, but one thing to remember. Shh, come closer. He's easily wound up. Yes. Oh, and by the way, the safe has a combination. Yes, you know what that means? Well, when it's not dangerous down there for us, come back and we'll open it for you. Well, good luck. Go on, chop, off with you. Meow.
Hang on a sec. What was that about disposable? Hey! Oh, well, cash. Okay. See now. Yeah, it kind of suits me. Feels quite comfy, this. Uh-oh. Squish magic. Peace. Make my shipping. Oh, not these guys again. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know, I'm great. I know. Yeah. Okay, those rock monster guys up there. Do you like them? Well, I don't like them either. You fancy getting rid of them? Sure? Okay, follow me. Okay, guys, let me have the first pop, and then they're all yours.
I said no sneakers. Buzz off.
I think you'll let us in somehow. What with my friends here? Alright, guys, just steady on. I'll sort this out. So, what do you say?
You seem like my kind of guys. Okay, but I need the password.
Password? Guys, do you know what the password is? Felatio. No. Fedelio?
Huh? How do you know that?
I know everything. I'm the king. Well, I will be. Didn't you see the prologue?
What?
Oh, nothing. Can we come in?
Yeah.
Let's have some fun.
I said no sneakers. The password.
Password? Guys, do you know what the password is? Felatio. No. Fedelio?
Huh? How do you know that? Buzz off.
I think Guys, do you know what the password is? Felatio. No.
Bollocks. Het is nog supposed to happen.
Oh, he's so cute though. He got a bigger boner than you.
No one's got a bigger bone. Aye.
If you're so bigger, you show him, big boy.
I will. Bigger the boner, splat, face the squidgy little furry kinda. See?
Oh my giddy arse. This is not good. Oh my giddy arse. This is not good.
No mistake, big boner. Gia fucking did.
I know you're not a vegetarian, but I think we should go for the meat and two veg. Looks like it needs a bit of tenderizing though, if you know what I mean. Whoa!
He does not. Nobody does not.
Big boner, my ass.
Oh, my secret. Teeny Wincy private party.
Well, so ends another incident in my day. Now, I think we should go up there and pay those babes that did it. I mean, I'm pretty determined to get something out of this. Maybe there's some cash up there, too. Well, we live in hope. Right, you. I think this is where we say goodbye. Oh, no, don't start that. Look, I know we had a good time together, but the fun's over now. Go on, off with ya. That's it. Right, bedtime. Hey, no, what are you doing? Stop following me. Go back. No, go on. Oh, listen. What? Oh, well, right. Fetch. Ha, good. Psychology. Always works with these animals. Now then, let's see. Babe time. Big boner? My ass? Babe. Where are those big babes? Huh? Paradise.
Wakey, wakey. Slumberland gone. Oh, you're so cute, though.
Hello. Hello. I love you.
No, love you no more. Squidfudgy, Jugga, no.
What? No. We can work it out.
Squidfudgy, break Jugga's heart.
No, I'll be good. I'll be really good. I'll be a new squirrel. The drink's out. Whatever you've heard about me, it's not true. It's totally exaggerated. No.
Jugga put Squidfudgy here. Jugga not like goodbyes. But bye-bye. You go.
Bye-bye, then.
I love you always.
Bye-bye. Oh, well. Oh. Every cloud has a silver lining.
So, you want some great stuff?
Yeah. Let's hope there's more where that came from.